Hey guys, so you're building a bed and you need to attach your side rails to your headboard and footboard. There's a lot of options out there, but I'm going to show you the absolute best way to do that. I have our little display bed in front of me here, and I'll show you how this bracket works. It is important to note that this bracket will work on any size bed, from the smallest like twin size all the way up to the California king or regular king, whatever's the largest. So let me show you how this works. You have your 2 lag bolts, which I already loosened, and there's 3 screws. So if the bracket picks up, you pull back, and that's off. So let me show you the underside. You have this little lip that the rail actually sits on. When you're putting the bed together or taking it apart, it's very simple. It slides on, drops down, and then you want to tighten these with a wrench or pliers or something. So yeah, that's how that goes together. Now let me show you the kit. It comes with 4 brackets. There's 2 rights and 2 lefts, and a little bag of fasteners. Here you have your lag bolts and your screws, as well as your caps. The caps just pop on the lag bolts. Just protects your mattress or box spring. You don't want to get it caught on the lag bolt head. Yep. So there you go. That's how that bracket works. If you have any questions, just let me know.